Scandi-Industrial storage design represents a compelling intersection between two powerful aesthetics, the raw strength of industrial materials and the calm, natural simplicity of Scandinavian minimalism. When these philosophies merge through thoughtful craftsmanship, even the most neglected scraps of metal and wood can evolve into functional masterpieces that embody both utility and refined beauty. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In workshops, garages, and demolition sites across the world, rusted angle iron, weathered pine boards, forgotten steel brackets, and discarded structural fragments often lie unnoticed, perceived as leftover debris from construction or renovation. Yet hidden within these rough materials is the potential for elegant, high-value storage solutions that meet the growing demand for sustainable, modern home decor. By stripping these materials down to their skeletal essence and carefully rebuilding them with precision, makers demonstrate that industrial grit and Scandinavian warmth are not opposing forces, but complementary elements that create a striking balance between strength and serenity. The process begins with the deliberate act of rediscovery. Rusted angle iron, for instance, carries a visual honesty that cannot be replicated by factory-fresh steel. Its surfaces bear marks of time, oxidized textures, subtle pitting, and tonal variations that reveal its industrial past. Instead of grinding away all traces of age, thoughtful restoration preserves this character while stabilizing the metal to ensure longevity. Cleaning, wire brushing, and sealing the surface transform the raw steel into a material that feels authentic yet refined. Weathered pine boards undergo a similar revival. Layers of dust, stains, and splinters are removed through careful sanding, revealing the soft grain beneath. The pale warmth of pine introduces the natural calm associated with Scandinavian interiors, a stark yet harmonious contrast against the darker, rugged tones of the metal framework. This pairing of materials immediately establishes the foundation of the Scandi-Industrial style, where raw strength meets quiet simplicity. Once the materials are prepared, the design phase focuses on structure and proportion. Scandinavian design is known for its restraint, emphasizing clean lines, open space, and functional clarity. Industrial architecture, on the other hand, celebrates visible frameworks and honest construction. By welding rigid frames from reclaimed angle iron, we create the skeletal structure that anchors the entire piece. These frames often take the form of rectangular grids or ladder-like assemblies that support floating wooden shelves. The welding process must be executed with precision, ensuring that each joint aligns perfectly so that the finished structure remains square, stable, and visually balanced. When the weld seams are ground smooth and the edges softened, the metal frame evolves from rough construction material into a sleek architectural element. Within this steel skeleton, the reclaimed pine shelves appear almost weightless. Floating shelf design plays a key role in achieving the minimalist aesthetic that defines Scandinavian interiors. Instead of bulky brackets or heavy supports, hidden fasteners and precisely measured recesses allow the shelves to sit cleanly within the metal frame. The pine boards, now sanded to a smooth matte finish and sealed with natural oils or light stains, radiate warmth that softens the bold geometry of the steel. This interplay between industrial rigidity and organic texture is what makes the final piece feel both modern and inviting. The contrast is subtle yet powerful. Cold metal provides strength and definition, while soft wood offers visual comfort and tactile warmth. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Beyond aesthetic harmony, functionality remains central to the success of Scandi-Industrial storage systems. Modern living spaces increasingly demand flexible furniture solutions that adapt to changing needs, especially in compact apartments and multipurpose rooms. By engineering modular storage units from reclaimed materials, we create pieces that can evolve alongside the user's lifestyle. A welded frame with adjustable shelf spacing allows the unit to function as a bookshelf, a display rack, a kitchen organizer, or even a compact home office storage system. Because the design is modular, multiple units can be combined horizontally or vertically, forming larger storage walls that retain the same minimalist character. This adaptability significantly increases the market value of the piece, as buyers appreciate furniture that offers both beauty and practicality. The transformation of architectural waste into sleek storage masterpieces also highlights the broader philosophy of sustainable design. Construction and demolition activities generate enormous quantities of scrap metal and timber, much of which is discarded despite being structurally sound. By reclaiming these materials and integrating them into refined furniture pieces, craftsmen reduce environmental impact while showcasing the potential of circular design practices. Each shelf unit created from salvaged angle iron and reclaimed pine represents a small but meaningful step toward reducing waste and encouraging responsible resource use. For many modern consumers, sustainability has become an essential factor in purchasing decisions. Knowing that a piece of furniture was crafted from reclaimed materials not only enhances its narrative value, but also aligns it with the eco-conscious principles that define contemporary lifestyles. The artistic appeal of these storage units lies not only in their clean geometry, but also in the story embedded within the materials themselves. Rust patterns on the steel hint at a past life in industrial environments, while knots and grain variations in the pine reflect the natural history of the wood. When these elements are preserved rather than erased, the finished piece gains a sense of authenticity that mass-produced furniture rarely achieves. Each unit becomes a conversation piece, inviting curiosity about its origin and transformation. In a marketplace saturated with identical products, uniqueness becomes a powerful selling point. Buyers seeking distinctive decor are drawn to objects that feel handcrafted and genuine, and Scandi-Industrial storage designs embody precisely that quality. From a business perspective, the economic advantages of this approach are significant. The raw materials, rusted angle iron and discarded pine boards, are often inexpensive or freely available from construction sites, salvage yards, or renovation projects. The primary investment lies in craftsmanship, cutting, welding, sanding, and finishing each component with care. The steel frame stands tall and confident, its lines sharp and purposeful. The pine shelves glow softly under natural light, their grain patterns adding warmth to the minimalist composition. Together they form a storage unit that feels balanced, practical, and visually striking. What began as raw architectural waste now exists as a refined object of design, ready to occupy a living room, workspace, or hallway with quiet elegance. Ultimately, Scandi-Industrial storage hacks represent far more than clever DIY solutions. They embody a philosophy that values simplicity, sustainability, and thoughtful craftsmanship. By stripping rusted angle iron and weathered pine to their structural essence and rebuilding them into modular, functional furniture, we demonstrate how industrial grit and Scandinavian warmth can coexist in perfect harmony. The resulting pieces not only organize living spaces, but also tell a powerful story about resourcefulness and creativity. Through this process, materials once destined for disposal become sleek, sellable masterpieces that capture the spirit of modern design while honoring the history embedded within every reclaimed element. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.